Hi, I'm Lisa Chaufty, head of the McKay Music Library.
Hi, I'm Yuhuan, DMA student in piano performance.
Today we're going to show you how to access the Naxos Music Library database. I'll be teaching in English, and Yuhuan will be teaching in Chinese.
今天我们将在视频中介绍怎样使用 Naxos 网上音乐图书馆的资源 Naxos Music Library Database。Lisa 和我将分别做英语和中文的讲解。
The Naxos Music Library database provides access to a collection of over 2 million music tracks from genres that include classical music, contemporary jazz, world music, pop, folk, rock, and more.
网上音乐图书馆提供超过200万张专辑的音频资料，涵盖了古典主义、当代爵士、世界音乐、流行、民谣、摇滚等等各种风格的音乐作品。
To start, note that if you are not on campus, you will have to first choose the login for off-campus access, located in the blue box.
如果你是在校外登录，就需要选择在蓝色框中的 Off-Campus Access 这个选项来登录。
Now we can navigate to Naxos. First, choose Research Databases.
现在我们就可以跳转到 Naxos 网页了。首先点击 Research Databases 选项。
Next, choose N.
然后选择 N.
And now you can scroll down to Naxos Music Library.
现在我们可以下拉到 Naxos Music Library 选项。
Select it and you are at the Naxos homepage.
点击这个链接，我们就可以打开 Naxos 的主页了。
Let's see what we have here.
让我们看看我们都有什么在这里。
You can browse new releases.
我们可以浏览新上架的资源。
Recent additions.
最近添加的资源。
Composers.
作曲家。
Artists.
和艺术家。
And let's choose playlists for a moment.
现在我们要选择播放列表。
If your professor has created a Naxos playlist for your class, it will show here under University of Utah playlists.
如果你的教授建立了课程的 Naxos 播放列表，它会显示在 University of Utah Playlists 这个选项中。
And note that you can also listen to playlists that Naxos has created.
我们同时也可以播放 Naxos 已经存在的播放列表。
Here, for example, I could choose Instruments Guitar.
比如说，在这里我可以选择吉他。
And select the playlist for guitar concertos.
然后点击吉他协奏曲，就可以得到这首作品的不同音频资料。
So you can browse various areas of the Naxos Music website and see what's here.
我们可以浏览 Naxos 网站不同的区域，然后会看到有很多的选择。
Now let's say that you're looking for a specific piece of music for your studies.
现在，比如说，我们要寻找一首特定的曲目。
Let's use Bach's Goldberg Variations as our example. There are two search options. First, let's try the keyword search.
我们用巴哈戈登堡变奏曲作为例子，有2种搜索方法。第一，我们来试试关键词搜索。
Let's type in Bach Goldberg Variations. And note that you don't have to worry about capitalization.
我们输入巴赫戈登堡，大家不用担心字母大小写的问题。
Select Search.
选择搜索。
And here are my results. When you do a keyword search as I just did, you will get a large variety of results. For example, if we scroll down, we see that what we have here is a recording of Bach's Goldberg Variations arranged for string trio.
现在我们看到了结果。当在做关键词搜索的时候，虽然我们会得到很多不同的结果，比如其中有一个是戈登堡变奏曲的弦乐3重奏版本，但是有可能其他的结果中就有你想要的那一个。
Let's say that I wanted a specific performer's version of the Goldberg Variations. Let's look for the Goldberg Variations as performed by Glenn Gould.
第二种搜索方法，搜索特定演奏者的戈登堡变奏曲，让我们来试试搜索古尔德版本的。
To be more specific then, I would choose the advanced search.
为了更准确的搜索结果，我会选择 Advanced Search。
Fill out the fields with some specific information.
根据提示填写具体信息。
And in this particular field, usually we fill it out last name, comma, first name.
在这一个信息栏输入的时候，我们要先填写姓氏，然后逗号，最后是名字。
Select search, and you'll see that we have quite a lot of options to choose from.
选择搜索，然后我们就可以看到有很多选项。
Now, let's try one more search. What if I wanted to find a recording of the same work by any performer, but on the harpsichord rather than the piano? Let's try that.
让我们再做一次搜索，比如我们想找到同一个作品的不同版本，任何演奏家都可以，但是是在羽管键琴上的演奏版本。
Here we go. And here are some options. Let's choose this one.
我们得到这些选项，然后我们选择这一个。
To listen, I can select all or pick and choose what I want.
我们可以选择播放所有来收听，或者选择播放某一个片段来收听。
When I select Play Selections, the listening window pops up.
当选择了 Play Selections 播放选项，播放窗口会自动弹出。
And finally, note that this particular recording includes supplementary material.
专辑中都会包括乐曲的背景信息，我们可以通过浏览这张 CD 的 booklet 来查看这些信息。
I can look at the booklet that comes with the CD. This can be a good source for program notes if I want to learn more about the recording or piece.
如果我们想了解更多关于这首乐曲或者这张专辑的信息，这些背景介绍是很好的选择。
This particular insert has notes in German and English and French.
这个乐曲的背景介绍信息有德文、英文和法文。
And that's our introduction to Naxos. Thank you for listening. Please feel free to visit the McKay Music Library in Gardner Hall for assistance if you have any questions about this and other music resources.
以上就是对 Naxos 的介绍，感谢收听。如果你有更多的关于如何使用 Naxos 或者其他图书馆资源的问题，欢迎来 Gardner Hall McKay 音乐图书馆咨询更多。
Goodbye.
再见。